everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I will be showing you a famous Swiss dish. It's called Roesti. Probably many of you have already eaten Roesti or heard about it, or you learned to make it already. On Christmas Day, we have a raclette party usually. For the past few years, we have been following this tradition. I don't have big stress on Christmas Day to cook. So we have a raclette grill on the table. We heat the raclette cheese and pour it onto cooked potatoes, and we serve it with a lot of antipasti and different kind of side dishes. Because I cook a lot of potatoes so that we are not short of potatoes, the next day I have a huge quantity of potatoes. So what I usually do with that is I make rosti and a potato salad. Typical Swiss preps. Rosti is grated potatoes on the pan and it's cooked crisp. And it can also be served with cheese, but that I will show you another time. I will make this vegan. So this will be just a simple rosti without any cheese. Raclette, I will show you in another video how we do raclette. Let's get started on making this rosti.
To make rosti, pre-cook the potatoes until just about soft the previous day itself. Use the Charlotte variety of potatoes or use one which doesn't lose its shape after cooking. Cook the potatoes with a little salt and set aside. The reason for cooking the potatoes on the previous night is that they will attain a gluey kind of texture. This gluiness will help the rosti to retain the shape while cooking. My husband has also been experimenting with freshly grated potatoes without pre-cooking, and it also works well in an emergency. In the meantime, preheat a large cast iron pan with 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. I have here 1.5 kilos of potatoes which were cooked the previous night. These potatoes were the last of our own potato harvest. Peel the potatoes and grate them. To grate these potatoes, I am using this simple Swiss grater. I will link this product below in the description box. This is a very simple tool, doesn't need any electricity, and I have had it in my kitchen for the past 20 plus years. This grater is also very good for grating nuts and other vegetables. The grated nuts doesn't get hot unlike when you grate it in the food processor. Grate all the potatoes in a large bowl and add in the powdered spices. You can add any spice as per your taste. I am adding here 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, garlic powder about half a teaspoon, onion powder about half a teaspoon, and freshly ground pepper. I am also adding about 1.5 teaspoon of coconut oil into this. Traditionally, they usually added butter. I want to make this a vegan dish, so I am adding only coconut oil. Mix everything well. Pat in a portion of the potato mixture into the pan till it covers fully and it is about half a centimeter in thickness. Pat it closely and densely and pat it well. Crisp it for 15 minutes on low heat before turning the rosti. I don't have any non-stick pans in my house. I have added enough oil to help the rosti to turn easily. Now, after about 15 minutes, to turn the rosti, use a lip with a handle and flip it carefully and turn it to the other side and brown on that side too. At this stage, you can also add in some grated cheese if you wish. Serve it hot.
I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. In case you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living and our gardening experiences. Because it's Christmas and the temperature outside is -6 degrees, there's no gardening happening in the near future. But there will be more of indoor videos coming up. Until next time, bye bye.